Hello and welcome to Nadina's World. Today I'm doing a bit of a wig try on. So I've brought a brand new wig. This is from Outre. This is the big beautiful hair, 4A Kinky in the colour 2. This is the first time I've actually tried a colour 2, to be fair. So let's try it on. That's the stock card. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. If you're a frequent visitor and you haven't subscribed, press the button, you get notified every time I upload. It's usually on a weekly basis, but you get notified. But the colour 2 is a bit of a brown colour. I bought the hair from a company called Wig. I've bought a few units from them so far. Don't know if you can see with the background what it looks like. It's kind of a Rick James curly stuff going on. It's a lace front, even though it's really hard lace. Finding the hair's getting tangled in the combs. So let me just show you the construction. And if you can see that, we have 1, 2, 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. It's a breathable construction inside. Does feel lightweight. I've cut off the lace. Let's go. It's on the last, it's got the adjustable straps, and I've left it on the last one because I do have a big head, so let's see how this goes. Okay. Just let it fall where it should fall. This is the wig. Okay, let's see what I can do about this now. I'm not pulling out the curls as yet, I'm just kind of gauging and creating the shape. So yeah, this is the final look. Big and beautiful Outre. I'm loving it. It is Outre Big and Beautiful, 4A Kinky, and this is the full wig, not the half wig, because you can get it in the half wig. I got it from Wig. and it's in the colour 2, and this is the first time I've ever had a colour 2. I really like the colour. It's just a bit softer than the 1B. And my hair colour is, I'd say, a light 1B, but it is a bit softer. It's just not so harsh on my face. I'm looking in the mirrors because I absolutely love it, and in the viewfinder. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you haven't already, and subscribe and press the bell so every time I upload you will get notified. And check out my blog, that's Nadina's World, www.nadinasworld.com. Thanks for watching.